So hey everyone, and in this video we're going to discuss about the course roadmap. So first of all, we have some modules. I'm just going to discuss some basic modules which we're going to cover, and just the names of those modules, and throughout this course you have to just follow this in the order. Okay, so first module is basically about the introduction. Okay, so I'm just going to start it just like that. So first of all, you are going to start with introduction. So basically in this module we're going to cover some basic intro of MERN stack, then we are also going to follow up the installation, right? After that guys, we're going to talk about the second module, which is based on prerequisites of MERN stack. So inside this guys, we're going to cover HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON, API, and then basic Git and GitHub setup. Then guys, in the third module we're going to discuss about MongoDB. We're going to start with introduction, then installation, then we're going to learn about database and collections in MongoDB. We are going to create documents, read those documents, and then we are going to perform basically the CRUD operation, that is create, read, update, delete documents in MongoDB using MongoDB Atlas and MongoDB Compass. Then in the fourth module guys, we're going to discuss about Node.js and Express.js. So we're gonna learn about the basic introduction and installation, then we're gonna learn about REPL, FS modules, OS module, path module, then NPM, and we're also going to learn how to create a basic Node.js web server. Then we're going to learn about Express.js basics, then we are going to integrate Express.js with MongoDB. After that guys, we are going to create a very basic project, task manager API, and we're gonna finish it with the middleware authentication tokens and some routes. So this is going to be a very important module. After that guys, we are going to start with React.js. So in React.js, we're going to start with the basic introduction, then we're going to talk about JSX, events and functions. After that, we'll talk about routing in React.js. Then we'll know about some hooks like use state, use effect, use memo, use ref. Then we're going to know about prop drilling, context API and use context hook. Then we're going to know about use reducer, use callback. Then we can create our custom hooks also. Then we're going to learn about use location hook and use params hook in React.js. After this guys, we're going to start with TypeScript, which is modified version of JavaScript with some additional features which we have in TypeScript. So I'm going to explain you topics like introduction and installation of TypeScript. Then we're going to talk about type annotations. Then we're going to talk about extra topics and OOPs inside TypeScript. After this guys, we're gonna start with Next.js, which is the modified version of React.js. In Next.js, we're gonna start with basic introduction, installation, then routing, then we're gonna know about CSS in Next.js, then components, then private folders, grouped routes, layouts, metadata for SEO, and then we're gonna talk about navigation, then we're gonna talk about Redux with Next.js. After that guys, we're gonna create some projects. We're gonna talk about how to connect frontend and backend in MERN stack. Then we're gonna create a MERN authentication project which would tell us about login, sign up, forgot password with image upload routes. Then after that guys, we're gonna talk about sockets in our MERN stack. After these basic projects, we're gonna talk about sockets in Node.js and frontend, that is in Next.js. So we're going to use socket IO for real-time communication. So I'm going to explain everything about socket IO in that specific video. Okay, complete logic would be taught there. After that guys, we're going to create some more projects, that is a to-do application in MERN. Then we're going to create a full project that is chat application with real-time communication using sockets. So that's why socket is taught, so you can just watch the course in this way. After that guys, we have the last module, which is an additional module for you all, which is based on Git and GitHub. So in this module, we're going to start with basics of version control system. Then we're going to talk about Git. Then we're going to talk about Git versus GitHub. Then we'll talk about basic Linux command which are used in Git like ls, cd, pwd, mkdir, rmdir, cp, mv, rm. Then guys, we're going to talk about basic Git commands that are git push, git pull, git merge, git add, git commit, git log, etc. So these are all the things. After that guys, we're going to talk about one more important topic, that is Git branches, right? So this is a basic roadmap which we have talked about today, and you can follow the course in this structure. I've given you a short overview what we are going to cover all in this course, right? So I hope you would enjoy this course, and this is a very precise course. If you can just check with this specific roadmap, you can just see that the roadmap is damn easy and it's very precise, right? So guys, I hope you understood the roadmap, and I will see you in the next modules. So let's begin with this creative journey, and I hope you'll get the best out of this course. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.